I use VirtualBox on my desktop here to run like test environments and whatnot. So for an upcoming video, I need to have another Windows 7 machine on my domain. I'm going to test out this new feature in VirtualBox, or at least it's new to me. I know that you used to have to do some command line stuff to clone a virtual machine. Now I'm just going to go ahead and highlight, make sure that the machine's powered off. I'm going to go ahead and highlight the machine I want to clone. I'm going to right click it and select clone. I'm going to give it a name. Since this is going to, I'm just going to give it client-2. I'm going to go ahead and check this because I want to make sure that both client 1 and client 2 have different MAC addresses. We want to go ahead and do a full clone, not linked. Just going to go ahead and hit clone and let this go. Okay, and we're back. That went fairly quickly. The progress bar said there was like 9 or 10 minutes left, and then all of a sudden I turned around and it was working, or it was done. So you can see we have client 1 and client 2. Now one thing we need to make sure we do is rename client 2 before I power up client 1. So I'm going to go ahead and we're going to go ahead and just start this bad boy. Okay, we're up here. Let's log in. Because it is joined to the domain, I'm not sure how this is going to react. Let me just first check. Client 1, it's still part of the domain, so what I'm going to do is I'm not sure how this is going to work. Let's name this client 2. And I'm going to, let's just leave it like that for now. Let's just see what happens. And you can see I'll bring over this. Here's Active Directory. Under computers, I still have just one account. And under domain computers, client 1 changed to client 2. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. So we'll just go here. We'll go ahead and we'll restart. And now this client 1, I may have to just rejoin it to the domain. So let's try it. I'm going to go ahead and fire this one up. Oops. Let's see. We'll just keep an eye on this. Keep refreshing it. Client 2. Yeah, I have a feeling we're just going to have to just rejoin this one. That one's ready. So I'm just going to minimize that because we're not concerned with that one at the moment. I just want to make sure we see both these clients within Active Directory. All right. Security database on the server does not have the computer account for this workstation trust relationship. Okay, so what I'm going to need to do is let's log in with and hopefully it's still there. Client 1, delete me. That's I always create a local admin account with delete me. I don't know why. I've done it back in the past and I just kind of always done it. So alright, so we're logged in locally. What I need to do is just rejoin this thing to the domain, I'm assuming. Change Southtown. Okay. We can log in just with, it's already looking at the domain admin, or the domain for its authentication. So at some point we should see it, and it's probably going to show up in here. Okay. Looks like it got joined. Now where did it? Okay, it got dumped right in the computers OU. That's fine. I'm just going to go ahead and dump it to the domain computers. And if you look here, we have client 1 and client 2, and then I'll just restart this thing and make sure that we come up okay and everything. So I'm going to do the same for client 1. I just want to make sure it will restart okay, log in okay, hitting the right thing. We won't log in. Let's just do a restart. We are ready to log in on both client 1 and client 2. Let's see. Let's cross our fingers. Everything should work. We need to switch user back to our domain account. There we go. Let's log in there. That's a good sign. We have let's just quadruple check this. And we'll do the same thing here. client 2 .southtown. All right, client 1, and everything's good to go in here. So there you go. It's actually pretty simple now with VirtualBox to be able to just clone these. Just you should have the latest version, I hope. 4.1.8 is what I'm running right now. I don't know when they put this clone feature in, but kind of glad they did. It makes it pretty simple.